Let's dive into a country of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, bustling night markets, and the birthplace of the world's favorite bubble tea.
Ang sarap!
In this vlog, I'll take you on a tour to 3 major regions: Taipei, Taichung, and the North Coast. Complete with endless free taste samples, each offering a unique blend of culture, history, and food you simply can't miss.
Sobrang siksik.
And the best part, we made this trip as budget-friendly as possible. 6 days and 5 nights weren't enough to see it all, but for now, this is Taiwan.
Treasure the life you're living underneath the sheltering sky.
Hi friends, it's Kelson and we are finally back at the airport. 2025 first travel will be at Taiwan. First time kong bibisitahin itong country na to. Actually, dapat napuntahan ko na siya last 2019. But unfortunately, nagka-COVID that time. So, ayun, di siya natuloy. Sobrang smooth pala na naging process namin kanina sa airport. From the bag drop, check-in, immigration, smooth lahat. Thank you, Lord. Our entry point to Taiwan will be Kaohsiung. Kaohsiung to Taipei, travel time is originally around 5 hours, but we are taking their high-speed rail. Tama ba? High-speed rail. O basta yun, THSR, which is parang bullet train nila. Ang magiging travel time na lang natin will be cut to 1 hour and 30 minutes. So parang gano'n lang, sobrang bilis. See you, Taiwan! I instantly got connection pagkaland ng Taiwan since I purchased eSIM. I feel like this is better if konti lang naman kayo like us since di mo na kailangan mag-pick up ng either physical SIM or pocket Wi-Fi. After getting our luggage, we went straight to Taiwan Lucky Land pero di kami naging lucky dito kasi di kami nanalo. Pero kung swertehin kayo, you can win 5,000 NTD. Just make sure to register a day before your arrival. Lalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box.
Hindi nanalo.
Kailangan mo pare-pare.
Nakalabas na kami ng airport. Alamig! Alamig! Nagmamadali kami kasi na-delay yung flight namin. So we have to rush to THSR. Nahanap namin ngayon yung MRT. That's the last trip for tonight?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thankfully guys, nakaabot kami sa THSR nila. So nakuha ko na yung tickets. Binuko pala to via Klook. Tapos niredeem mo lang yung physical ticket dito sa mismo parang service counter nila. Makakahinga na. Maghintay pa kami ng 30 minutes. So kinaya naman yung oras. Grabe naman kasi yung delay ng flight ng SEPA kanina. Sabi 15 minutes lang tapos naging 1 hour. 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, update. Nandito na tayo sa THSR. Heading to Taipei. On time siya umalis. Talagang 10:10. By the way, bumili pala kami ng sikat na Mr. Donut. And I got this strawberry chocolate flavor. Let's taste test. Masarap na.
The next day.
Finally guys, we finally arrived at Ximen Station and wow! Ito na guys yung Ximending walking district ba yun? We're here! It's mom's birthday today. Happy birthday to you!
Nasa galaan.
Sa galaan ka na naman. Super lamig ngayon. Parang nagbukas ka ng freezer, ganun. Kailangan natin mag-jacket.
Lamig na?
Kanina sabi namin, bakit sila naka-jacket? Di naman malamig. Kinain namin yung sinabi namin. Malamig. Ayan, mga nilamig na. Papunta na kami ngayon sa hotel namin. Actually, 5-minute walk lang siya from the MRT. So, ang ganda ng location. I booked it through booking.com. And what's nice about it is, hindi ako nag-pay. So, ngayon pa lang ako mag-pay personally sa kanila. Just across the Siminding Walking District in Amberloop, ito na yung hotel namin. This is actually a self-check-in hotel. So, kausap ko sila via WhatsApp and sasabihin nila instructions dito. Tapos may pupunta na staff nila to get your payment. Wow! Okay guys, we made it to our room hotel. It's 12:57 AM, so mag-1 na. This hotel is pretty decent for its price. Mayroong working table, we have a ref, we have kettle. They provided us with 3 bottled waters. Tapos may aircon, and then we have 2 beds. The CR, guys, is super duper clean. Merong bathtub. May pinrovide naman sila mga towels. Ang kulang lang sa CR nila is walang bidet. Pero ang dami ko nang panood ng mga Taiwan vlogs na hindi talaga uso bidet dito sa Taiwan. And also, we have a TV here. Tapos nag-request din ako ng flat iron. Sobrang cute. Hindi ko alam paano to gamitin. Nag-provide din pala sila ng slippers. Meron pala silang wifi, guys, and mabilis naman siya. Yun lang. That's our room.
Even the dark, they still see light. Even the birds still sing at night.
Got the goods. 4,000 NTD muna yung in order. May mga nakita na ako easy card. Not sure lang kung magkano. Ah, ito, 100 NTD. Parang mas cute to. Pero 120 NTD. Top up. Load. Here. Okay. Pero naman 35 eh.
Well, there's something about the weather when we're out on our own.
Good morning. It's officially our first day here in Taipei, Taiwan. Since malapit lang tong Rainbow Road from our hotel, ito na inuna namin. Medyo may araw ngayon pero malamig yung hangin. Hindi pa ganun kadami yung tao, but later on, dadami na yun. Kaya I suggest na agahan nyo. So around 7 AM kami nandito and we were able to take good shots kasi nga wala masyadong tao.
A few moments later.
After namin mag-ikot-ikot ng sobrang daming 7-Eleven dito sa Simending, nakita na namin si Lolo! Matatry na natin yung famous scallion pancake. This one. 3. Ihahanapin yung si Lolo, yung famous na scallion pancake. It's just across Pop Mart. Nandito lang siya sa baba ng Starbucks, tapos katabi ng 7-Eleven. Ito guys, yung scallion pancake na may bacon and egg sa loob. Taste test. Sadik mo na nila, masarap daw.
80? Kaya sa presyo?
Nasa 160 yata. By the way, hindi nyo kailangan ng any other apps to navigate. You just need Google Maps. Sobrang accurate niya. Talagang ibibigay niya sa'yo yung best route to go to your preferred destination. We're currently here at one of Taiwan's most popular spots, which is Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, and ang lamig. Sabi sa Google, this memorial hall was built to honor Chiang Kai-shek, which is a key figure in Taiwan's history. Hindi lang ako totally sure kung bakit siya importanteng tao, basta importanteng tao siya sa history ng Taiwan. It's actually huge. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya kalaki in person. Alam niyo, tinik yung araw pero ang lamig. Guys, akitin na natin ang Memorial Hall ni Chiang Kai-shek with the boots. We made it on top of the Memorial Hall and behind me is Chiang Kai-shek. Meron silang changing of cards every hour. Actually, hinihintay na lang namin yon. Touristy talaga tong place ito. Parang hindi ka nag-Taiwan kapag hindi ka nagpunta ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Top na meat nila. After namin magmalahatpat kanina, bumalik kami ng hotel to rest. Grabe yung busog, as in, sobrang OA. Worth it yung ibabayad niya sa malahatpat. Ay, ito na yung Taipei 101! Was that a dream girl? Nagta-Taipei 101 na kami, yung observatory nila. And ngayon lang ako nag-book sa Klook. Sobrang convenient kasi hindi na kami pipila. Medyo hinahabol namin kasi gusto ko makita yung 360 of Taipei or Taiwan ng may liwanag pa tsaka ng gabi. Itong Taipei 101 pala guys, mall yung baba. And ang dami mga luxury, mga branded shops. Ang haba ng pila. If dito ka mismo bibili sa ticket and oh my god, ang haba ng pila rin. Actually, mahaba rin pala yung pila paakyat. Pero, na-skip na namin yung buying of tickets. Dito na kami sa 89th floor. Grabe, ang bilis ng elevator. Ilang seconds lang, no? 89th floor na. Sobrang bilis.
Next day.
Good morning. So today is yung second full day namin. Tatawa sa'yo dati. Medyo maulan sa Taipei. We are going to Taichung today and sinearch ko naman yung weather. Doon naman cloudy lang siya, hindi siya maulan. This is how the Ximending Walking District looks like. Kapag umaga, wala masyadong crowd. On my right, makikita nyo, sobrang daming nakapila sa Pop Mart.
Garlic and bingo.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman guys na itong Ximending, pakita mo dad. Yung Xingfutang pala is open ng ganito kaaga. Gusto ko na mag milk tea. Pero super lamig as in. Hindi ko man applicable sa akin. Mag-milk tea, walang pila guys. Pero isa lang binili namin para matry na namin.
Number 51, 53, 42.
Good morning. I'm your tour guide. My name is Tommy. Welcome to join one day to Taichung.
Pinuko to through Klook para convenient na din since marami siyang transfers. It will take us around 2 hours to get to Taichung.
我们这边呢有3个玻璃经过区。
Dito na kami sa Zhongshe Flower Farm or Garden. And ang lamig! Inuna na namin dito sa may piano kasi feeling ko ito yung magiging crowded maya-maya kasi yung daming dumating na bus, nandun pa sila. We were only given an hour to stay here and roam around. By the way guys, yung ticket dito sa Zhongshe Flower Farm is 150 NTD. Hindi pa siya kasama dun sa bayad sa tour. Tapos key-tour guide na lang kami nagbayad. Wala kami stop for lunch. That's why our tour guide suggested na siya na yung order for us. Tapos dito na kami kumain. So guys, yung in-order namin, Mr. Fried Noodles 60 NTD yata yan. Tapos rice dumpling for 50 NTD. And it's pretty chilly today. Mahangin siya and medyo marami na ring crowd. Tip ko siguro is mag-start kayo sa pinakadulo. Ganun yung ginawa namin para papunta kami na unahan. Actually, ang ganda ng place. Parang hindi totoo yung mga flowers. I love it. I suggest na isama nyo sa itinerary nyo itong Taichung. Dito na kami sa second stop, which is the Rainbow Village. And our tour guide said na this was actually hand-painted by a former soldier kasi gusto niyang i-save from demolition itong village na to. So lahat may paint. Ganda. Tapos we were only given 30 minutes to roam around.
$2,500 yan.
2025 ba? Kasama sa tour namin yung Chun Shui Ta. Sabi nila, this is the first ever pearl milk tea in Taiwan. Ang sarap! Lalayo guys ng mga tourist spots sa isa't isa. Kaya I feel like best option talaga is to book your tour. We book ours through Klook. Pero if you have the budget, you can opt for a private tour para hindi kayo nagmamadali sa bawat place. Ordered double scoops, tapos free na yung topping per scoop. May chocolate, tapos almonds and cheesecake, tapos hindi ko naman. Nandito kami sa second branch ni Biyahara because the original and first branch, wala siyang mga dining tables. Masarap yung cheesecake.
Benton Beach. And because we constructed built one jetty here.
Hey guys, we are here at our last, di ba hindi niyo ako kita? Tour spot for today, which is the Gaumi Wetland. Pa-sunset na. And as you guys can see at my back, para tong yung windmill sa Ilocos. And it's super breathtaking. Ganda ng dagat. And super lamig. As in. Punta tayo dun sa may boardwalk. Ah! Pwede kaming mamili dito ng pasalubong sa tapat lang ng Gaumi. Medyo mura siya. Time check, it's 7:01 p.m. and we are back at Taipei. Medyo mahaba yung biyahe from Taichung, but it was worth it. Ako personally, nagustuhan ko yung trip. And nakapahinga naman kami sa bus. Pumunta na ako sa tulog doon. I highly recommend you guys book a tour from Klook. Kasi yung tour guide namin kanina, which is si Tommy, in-explain niya how being a tour guide helped him and his family. Actually, senior citizen na siya, but he's still working as a tour guide. Time check, it is already 8:37 p.m. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-dinner. Wala pa tayong proper meal for today. Puro sweets tayo kanina. But we are ending the night with some good ramen. Actually, itong ramen na to, first time ko natikman sa Japan. It was so good. Nagulat ako na meron pala silang branch dito sa Taiwan. Actually, ang haba ng waiting time. Also, I highly suggest you download Google Translate kasi ang daming stores dito sa Taiwan na walang English translation. Like itong Ichiran, may mga iba silang signage na hindi talaga namin mag-get.
The next day.
Good morning, friends. Today is Monday and North Coast tour day natin today, which I also booked through Klook. I've been seeing vlogs and TikTok videos na ang pick-up point nila is at Taipei Main Station. Buti na lang, merong option na dito mismo sa Ximending yung pick-up point kasi dito yung mas malapit sa amin. Walking distance lang siya. Anyway, I'm super excited for this tour kasi parang ito yung hindi dapat mawala kapag nag-Taiwan ka. Most especially if you're a first-timer. By the way, yung tour na to, hindi pa kasama yung entrance to Lielu Geopark as well as the Sky Lantern. But pwede nyo siya mabili through Klook para you guys can get discounts.
Most popular one definitely is a Queen's Hands Rock. Her neck actually by years and year getting thinner and thinner. From that one will be from the 50 years ago.
Just lost kids searching for something. We must have everything. We just wanna know where did summer go?
We're finally here at Lielu Geopark. In-expect ko na hindi ganun kadami on a Monday, but it was total opposite. Sobrang daming tao ngayon. Siguro same kami ng thinking. You just have to really find a good spot, and ito nakakita ko ng spot na walang masyadong tao. And the entrance fee here pala is 120 NTD, pero I suggest you book through Klook. Also, you start at the zone 2 para makakuha nyo agad yung mga hindi pa pinupuntahan ng tao. Pabalik na kami ng bus. I must say na sobrang bitin nung time because you will just be given an hour to explore this huge park. Tapos ang haba ng pila per rock formation, especially the Queen's Head. So it was impossible for us to line up. If prefer nyo magtagal sa Yellow Geo Park, I suggest you book a private tour para hawak nyo yung oras nyo. Also, you will be given a map para ito yung magiging guide nyo kung saan kayo unang pumunta kasi sobrang laki talaga ng Geo Park. As in, 3 zones siya. And ang napuntahan lang namin is Zone 1 and Zone 2. Nagpapahalata kang excited ka sa free taste. Thank you. Ano sarap na to ah? 7 digits, 1 This lantern experience was actually fun. Ang saya niya. Parang nakumpleto yung Taiwan trip mo with this activity. Medyo mahangin siya, pero nung time na namin, umokay yung hangin. So, maganda yung paglipad ng lantern. And hopefully, by faith and by grace, lahat ng wishes doon, paired with prayers, will happen and become a reality. Tapos itong ano pala guys, yung Shifen Old Street. Ang dami ring mga street food. But since limited yung time namin for our tour, yung tour guide namin, siya na yung umorder ng food tapos sa kanya na lang kami magbabayad. Wow! Taste test! Sarap? Lasang sausage? Itong chicken wing pala, meron na siyang rice sa loob. Hello, may rice. So parang may ulam ka na, tapos may kanin ka pa. Nag-stop over kami dito sa Yin Yang Sea to take photos. Kasama siya sa tour package. On my back, hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo, pero nandyan yung 30 layers of remain daw, and it's abandoned. And then, on the other side, across the street, is yung Yin Yang Sea. Meron siyang 2 colors eh. Yung isa is blue, and then the other one is yellowish or parang brownish siya. Nakalimutan ko na explanation kung bakit siya ganun. Basta may scientific explanation siya kung bakit siya may 2 different colors and hindi siya nag-mix together. Last stop for today is Jufen. Nandito na kami guys, and ang layo nung pinagbabaan ng bus to the Jufen itself. By the way, we were given 2 hours to roam around Jufen, and dito guys maraming free taste. So sabi ni Anita, our tour guide, free taste pa lang, busog na kayo. Parang same siya nung sa Macau. Ang top.
Then you can share it to your background.
Napasok ako ang init
That means
pala.
But remember, show your name.
Thank you. Thank you. Very deep. Ko alam kung mura to dito guys, pero may 100 NTD na magnet. May mga 70, 50, pero ito na yung pinakamaganda for me. Super sarap ng ginger tea na to. It's 200 NT. So hot. Ice cream. Ang lamig. Tapos na pala yung tour namin sa North Coast and bumalik agad kami ng hotel kasi pagod na ang parents. Pero parang may energy pa ako, so I will be roaming around, Ximending alone. Inuna ko ng pilahan yung crispy milk donuts. Pero actually, ang bilis lang nung queue. Sobrang bilis nilang mag-serve. And I got 4. Discounted if you buy 4. Balik mo na ulit ako sa hotel since papatikin ko na siya sa aking parents habang mainit. Our hotel, actually, lagpas na ako. Yung hotel namin is very near to the Crispy Milk Donuts, as in same row lang siya. Taste test.
Sarap sa inyo.
Sarap. Alam nyo guys, na-observe ko na mas mura pa rin pala dito sa Ximending compared to Chufen. Kasi yung binili namin parang atis kanina is 150 NTD doon. Pero dito nakita ko 100 NTD lang pa siya. Tapos ang daming street food na ngayon ko lang pina-explore kasi sobrang busy with tours. Tapos may donkey rin pala here. Let's go inside. Hindi ko makita yung Alfort at naliligaw na ako sa donkey. Mahanap yung escalator, friends. Okay, nakita ko na siya. Patapos ko magreklamo. So, this one is 45 NTD. Mga nasa 80 pesos-ish. Mas mahal siya. Kasi I believe sa Japan, parang nasa 70 pesos lang siya. Dito ko ngayon guys sa Popcorn Chicken King and I'm confused kung paano umorder pero meron naman sila English menu. Pure Taiwanese yung order form nila. Hi, I'll just get this. Thank you. I got the chicken... Ano nga to? Chicken popcorn. Basta yung best seller nilang dalawa, yung top 2 best seller, yun yung tinry ko. Wow, let's try. Squid. Ang sarap. It's good. Chicken. Basta yung top 1 bestseller nila. Para mas gusto ko yung squid. Wala na dapat akong balak mag milk tea. Pero nadaanan ko yung 50 na sikat na milk tea din dito sa Taiwan. And gusto ko na siya itry kahit magmahating gabi na. Yung hotel namin, same row lang siya nitong 50. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Ang lamig! There you go. Yun yung hotel namin.
The next day.
Good morning guys! It's our... Hindi ko na alam pang ilang day. Pero today is more chill kasi wala na kami talagang tour. Bumili muna kami ng breakfast. Along Ximending lang. Ano daw siya eh? Best Taiwanese breakfast. We got bacon and... Ano isa dito?
Beef.
Beef. So 70 and 85 NTD.
Fry?
Taste test.
Ooh, yummy.
No.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung lasa.
Nasa gitna yan. Sa'yo.
Masarap yung gitna.
Oh, yun yung gitna.
Parang to-go breakfast siya. Tingnan nyo naman yung loob. Sobrang siksik. Milk-based talaga to eh. So So, hindi kami nakabili sa Carrefour kasi, or Carrefour because wala din yung gusto kong boba milk tea, chocolate kinamberly. So, nandito na kami sa Mr. Host shop. It's just in Ximending area. Ito yung pinaka-sinasuggest ng mga Pilipino on TikTok. Tapos, medyo marami silang sale as well as freebies. Meron sila ditong boba chocolate. If you buy 2, you get 1 for free dito sa middle section. Mga mochi siya. It's 100 NTD. Hindi ko alam kung mura na to, pero so far sa mga kinalbas ko, ito yung pinaka-okay.
Nag-shopping. Kasya pa ba sa bagay? Sarap lahat. Kaya nabudol kami.
Wow. Ang ganda. Mukhang malamig naman yung tela niya. May mabubudol. Wow. 100%.
That's nice.
10% discount. Hello, friends. Pagkatapos mabudol ni Daddy sa... Saan ganda? Alcapines?
Alpine Star?
Alpines.
Alcapines.
Binago na. Gutom na kami. And ang plan sana namin next is mag-Taipei 101. Pero gutom na nga kami. Tapos napadaan kami dito sa parang karinderya type. Sobrang bango ng food nila. Tsaka parang masarap. So, sinay namin. Ito yung mga food namin.
Naman egg to yun.
Egg siya.
Egg ba to?
Tapos sobrang accommodating and bait ng owner nila kasi kami Google Translate kasi hindi na kami maintindihan talaga. Kung may bisita kayo ng Taiwan, I highly suggest na i-try nyo kumain sa mga parang karinderya type. Sobrang genuine nung nag-reaction nila nung naubos namin yung food. Tapos sabi ko, ang sarap. Masarap talaga siya. And 145 NTD lang yung buong kinain namin. Sobrang OA, busog na kami talaga. Natuwa rin siya nung nakikita niya nag-video ako. So, bisitahan nyo sila. Thank you. Pag masarap, bili pa tayo isa. Parang?
Masarap niting mo ka.
Tea Project. Lasang gongcha. Pearl milk yung lang gongcha. Ang sarap. Kung gusto nyo na magandang shot with Taipei 101 and nahihirapan kayo to get a decent shot sa Ximending area, yung Taipei Road na Rainbow, I highly suggest you visit here sa tapat lang ng Taipei City Hall kasi you get this Rainbow Road with Taipei sign or Taipei word and then you get the view of Taipei 101. Sobrang perfect, sobrang ganda. Nakita ko lang dito sa TikTok. It's less crowded, way less crowded. And perfect yung view talaga. Ang ganda pa nung tama no light. Ito yung black pepper bun. Nasa pinakaunahang part siya ng rao cake. So good. Malaki pala to.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. It's our last day here in Taiwan. Mamaya yung flight natin, though gabi pa yon, aagahan na namin kasi sa Kaohsiung yung exit natin. We have checked out from our hotel. Sobrang strict nila when it comes to time. Kinatok na agad kami mga 11:02 AM pa lang. Check out time talaga namin is 11. Nagahan na namin dito sa high-speed rail. And I will be redeeming yung THSR tickets namin. The time of 2 o'clock. Kailangan nyo i-redeem yung physical ticket nyo. And you need only your passport to redeem. Tapos, ayan, nandito sa likod.
Bye.